Here, golden, crunchy, and steeped in history, ANZAC Biscuits are more than just a sweet treat. They're a powerful symbol of remembrance, resilience, and tradition. This isn't just food, it's a connection to a century-old story that still lives on today. The ingredients are simple, even humble. Rolled oats, desiccated coconut, flour, sugar, butter, golden syrup, and baking soda. But these ingredients come together to create something incredibly meaningful. Born during World War I, these biscuits were made by the families of Australian and New Zealand soldiers, the ANZACs, and sent across the ocean to the front lines. Why no eggs or milk? Because the biscuits needed to last. With no refrigeration and weeks of travel ahead, they had to be shelf-stable and hardy. So the recipe was crafted to endure, just like the soldiers who received them. Sweetened with golden syrup and rich with oats and coconut, these biscuits were not only nourishing but comforting, a taste of home in uncertain times. Baking ANZAC Biscuits today is like honoring a legacy. The steps are straightforward, but every part feels like a tribute. From melting the golden syrup into the butter, to that satisfying sizzle when baking soda hits warm liquid, to rolling the dough into balls and gently pressing them down before baking to a golden crisp. And when you finally take a bite, it's pure nostalgia. The crunch of the edges, the gentle chew in the center, a caramel-like sweetness from the syrup, a toasty nuttiness from the oats and coconut. It's simple, yes, but deeply satisfying. There's something comforting in the way it tastes, both timeless and familiar. But ANZAC Biscuits aren't just for snacking. Every April 25th on ANZAC Day, these biscuits take on special meaning. Across Australia and New Zealand, people bake and share them as a way to honor the courage, sacrifice, and unity of those who served. In homes, schools, and community gatherings, the act of baking becomes a quiet gesture of remembrance. So the next time you reach for one of these golden beauties, pause for a moment. Think about the hands that first made them, the hearts they were meant to comfort, and the history they continue to carry. Because with every bite of an ANZAC biscuit, you're not just tasting oats and syrup, you're tasting a story that still matters. Taste history. Remember the spirit. Share the legacy. One biscuit at a time.